just everything starts to go wrong, and I have a bit of a meltdown. Right then, it's Monday, 10:30. Kid number 1 at school, kid number 2 gone swimming with mum. So I've got the house to myself, so I can do a quick little video, almost like a little start bit here. And really busy day, as normal. They're all busy, everyone's busy, I know that. Got all the website this morning, done a couple of chores, got all the website updated, so all new stuff on the website. None of it sold, I blame you. And today I got more pours to do. I got the printer going, that's what the noise is. I don't know if you're getting that. As you can see, got one on the printer there. 3 bits there. You having that? There you go, let me show you. That's the, I'm going to do a video today. That's Annabelle. The scary possessed doll. I don't know if you know the story, but that's the video I'm going to do today for a pour video. So I've got that on the go. I should show you these. I've got a couple of little commissions I've got to do. Got a little, look at that bad boy. You know who that is, don't you? The little cranky emoji. So we got that to do. And you're getting that one for Primo. Commissioned from commissioned by 365. So I want to get these. So I've got pouring to do. So as I say, I'm just waiting for that to come off the printer. And we'll go across to the pouring shed. And you can watch me do a bit of pouring. That's the plan for today. Right, so the first job is just to check the crucible, just to make sure there's any damage, and you know, just make sure it's safe to pour. So that's what I'm doing here. And also I've had some problems with my crucibles. They just seem a little bit tight. I mean, this one poured okay last time, so I'm just giving it a clean, but stuff just feels a bit tight, so I might go and get a new one. So that's what I'm doing here, checking the crucible to make sure they're all okay. And I'm just now going to set up everything ready, because I'm actually filming a video today. I'm going to do that Annabelle video pour, so I'm just getting all the cameras and everything set up ready to do that, and then we'll get on with the pours. These are the impressions that I'm working with today. You see that? That's the zombie. There's another zombie. That's the Annabelle bar. And I've also done another Annabelle bar. As you can see there, that should be a nice little bar. And I've also got the Primo, which has come out. Look at that in the sand. So pleased with how that's looking in the sand. Hey, look at that bad boy. There's the cranky. So yeah, we just get nearly there now. The furnace is 9:11, as you can see. I think it's about 2:30 time. Well, let me just check. What time we got? Yeah, 14:27. So yeah, that's 2:30, isn't it? So we're at 2:30. Things are going well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got to do a bar. I've had a request to do a real money bar, but in shiny silver from Shiny. So yeah, I've got to do that shiny. So I'm going to try and get a nice bar today. So I'll have 2 or 3 bar pours to see if I can get him a nice one. And yeah, so here we are, bit of a mess as you can see, but we'll get there. I'm just waiting for the furnace, so what I'll do now, I'll have a tidy down and bring you back when I'm going to do some pouring. So here we are then, as you can see, we're just starting to do the pour, and this is where everything starts to unravel. It's yeah, I just well, you'll see, just everything starts to go wrong, and I have a bit of a meltdown. But here we go. This is the Annabelle. As you can see, the big eye. This is meant to be the first Annabelle pour. This is what I'm actually recording for the video. So, one of them days, folks. Oh, you're joking me. After all that, the crucible's stuck this one's stuck and this is a new one. Oh guys, oh, having a nightmare. This is called having a nightmare. This is just unbelievable. I gotta get a new supplier of crucibles, I'm sorry, but it's just the tolerances. Obviously you use graphite because graphite shouldn't expand that much, but obviously this sod has. This has just ruined the day. Oh, for God's sake. Let me lift you up. There, that's the state of play. State of that. Don't know if you're getting that very well because of the lights, but Jesus wept. Right, so after I composed myself, went inside, had a cup of coffee, worked out what I was going to do. I got another crucible, and we went again, and as you can see, it started to work. I did get some pours done. So this was the primo pour, and yeah, I just yeah, I was proper losing it. And but it's so frustrating because you go to all the hard work is done when you're doing the sand casting, the actual impressions in the sand. That's where basically that's where the magic happens. The pouring's kind of secondary. I mean, it does look really cool, as you can see here. Look at the colours there, but it is the hard work's actually in the impressions. So that's why I got so annoyed with the crucible, because that should have been the easy bit of it all. But anyway, we've got there, so I'll just run through the pours that I managed to get out after my mini meltdown, or whatever you want to call it. Right, here we go. It's 4:10 now. We've got past all the disasters. Look at them bad boys. Look at that primo one. How cool is that? I'm so pleased how that's come out. That'll tone up. These are just all raw. And look at the zombies. Oh yeah. Annabelle. Nice bar. Really pleased with that bar as well. Look at that. Look at the shape of that. Well pleased, and of course cranky. So yeah, that's the fruit of our labours for today. We had a few, as you seen, we had some problems with that little bad boy down there. So yeah, still a bit annoyed, but we got there. So look at them. Oh, happy days. So now it's 4:10. I've got to go in and clean up. Other daughter number one, daughter number one's turn to go swimming now. So I've got daughter number two. We've got to look after her, and then a bit later tonight we'll crack on and we'll get some toning done on these, and I'll show you that. Right, back inside. As you can see, whilst I've been doing all the pouring, the printer's finished. That's cool. So I've got to reset the printer up. So let's just crack that one off. There you go. No, there you go. What we got here? Take the supports off. Back end of the horse and a skull. That's what that one is. That's for a project coming up. But that's over there. So yeah, as I say, got to reset the printer up now, and we'll get on with another print, and then I'll do the clean up, and I'll show you the clean up on the stuff that I've just poured. Here's it raw. I did show you in the thing, but you didn't get in the shed. You didn't really get a very good. You get in that. Look at that bad boy. And that's the Annabelle. Really hard because it's just, as I say, really reflected. Until I got some toning on it, it's hard to see. Really pleased with that bad boy. You know, cranky round. So, right, let me crack on. So, here we are. It is now 20:39, so in old money, 20 to 9. And yeah, kids are in bed. Mrs is watching some drivel upstairs, so you can get cracked back on with some work. So what I'm doing first, you see that? You getting that? It's difficult. There you go. But I've cut the sprue off. but I do need to, the edges are quite rough, so I need to file that down. We got these guys which has got a bit of graphite pollution on the back, so we just clean that off with the same with the cranky and the little primo. So I'm just going to get on now and get them cleaned up. Oh, the printer's running as well. Diddle-diddle. Got the next bar on the go, that's the bottom part of the bar. That bit there's printed out nicely. They're all coming in the future. So let's just crack on and get the cleaning done. There's my files. Right, so that's the first bit of clean up done. Now what we've got to do, now I've folded it down, got it nice, the bar, and got the graphite off those, and got the backs roughed up a little bit. I like to sand them a little bit so I can get some nice toning, because I'm going to, all these are going to be toned. Even this is going to be shiny, but I've got to tone the lettering. I like to get some texture on the back, so you just get some different antiquing. Right then, it's 12 minutes past 10. I'm feeling pretty knackered now, if I'm honest. But got them all, as you've seen, got them all, polished. And now I've just popped them down there. You can't actually see that, but I've just sprayed them with the old, a little bit of clear coat. Just to do that bit of lacquer, so they're just drying now. So I can't really move them, so you can't see them, but I'm going to call it a day now. I've got a couple. I've just got to turn them over and do the back, but I'm not going to show you guys that because that's just a bit boring. Printer's just stopped from that print that was going on. If you see that, I'll just show you that. You have a close up of that. Probably don't mean a lot as it is at the moment, but look at that bad boy. You getting that? That's going to be pretty cool. That's to come. Bit of string in there. So yeah, all in all, quite a, I want to say, after the stresses and me almost losing my shit in the pouring shed earlier, I do apologise for that. It's turned out to be a pretty good day. You know, I just got to find some new crucibles. I need a new crucible supplier. Cheers, see you next time.